In today's video tutorial, I want to show you how you can pair up these wireless earbuds and connect them to your Amazfit Balance smartwatch. Or if you have another Amazfit smartwatch that's within the 2022 to 2024 model range. Okay, so these can actually pair up to a wireless earbuds, and you can actually play the music from the watch and have them play through your earphones. Okay, so these here in particular are the YD03 earphones. So if you have one of those budget-friendly earbuds here, you will want to get them into pairing mode to get them to show up on your watch itself. And in order to do this here, when you take them out the case, usually these would go into pairing mode. But if that doesn't happen, go ahead and turn them both off by long pressing it. And just listen to the voice prompt, as it will most likely tell you it's off. So go ahead and hold them down together and wait for them to turn off. Okay, so some cases you'll get a red light, in some cases it just stops with the blinking light and you'll hear power off. Now you want to get them into pairing mode, and to do this you'll do the same thing again. You're going to press down on the touch controls together at the same time until they light up in that turn on color. So this one is going to be green, yours may be blue. So I'll hold it down, and when you see that light, the first light, let it go. So hold it now, and there you go, okay? So once you let them go, they'll sync into each other, and the left earbud would be the host earbud, and you'll see that it's gonna be blinking like this here, which means it's in a pairing mode state. So rest it down now, and on your Amazfit smartwatch, you'll go into the quick access, which is swiping from the top here while on the clock face. So swipe down like this here, you'll see this right there, and tap on the settings, then you'll go to the Bluetooth right here. Then make sure this is turned on. And once you turn it on, the Bluetooth toggle here, you'll go to where it says headphone. And it's going to start searching for nearby devices. And you'll see a list of all your Bluetooth nearby devices. So make sure you know the name of your model for your earphones. Mine is the YD03. And when I tap on that one time, it's going to say pairing, and it's going to get that pairing request. You'll press the check mark so that you can have it connected. And it's going to tell you that it is connected, okay? Tapping on that little I here, which is the info, I'll tap on that here, and that's just going to make sure that you have it all set and ready to go. Okay, so just swipe away like that here and make sure it says connected. Now to test it out, we'll go into the player of your Amaz watch, and if you have songs on your watch itself here, you'll tap here and you'll see these right here. Okay, and just to quickly demonstrate that it does work here, I'll press play. I'll bring up the volume so you can hear it. Okay, so that was the audio playing through the earphones itself. Okay, so again, if this guide helped you out in any way whatsoever, do hit that like and subscribe.